What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we'll be drawing a pumpkin cat. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the top edge of the cheeks. We'll start over on the left side. Let's draw a curve that goes up and we'll bend that down. Let's leave a large gap and draw the same curve on the right side. Go up and then back down. Now I want to tuck two large ovals for the eyes in behind the cheeks. On the left side, let's step in, go all the way around towards the top of the oval, come around and then down in behind. Let's do the same thing on the right, going up towards the same height, come all the way around and then back down. Now I want to push the pupils towards the inside of the eyes. So on the left side, let's draw a circle. We go all the way around and then just tuck that in behind the cheek. Let's line that up on the right, going up, around and then in. Now on the top left side of the pupils, let's draw a small circle for highlight. Let's fill the bottom of the pupils in black. We're going to go around that highlight. Let's go in between the eyes and draw the top edge of the nose. Bend this up and then down. And then from the ends, come straight down and in toward the center point. Now from that bottom point, let's draw the mouth. Come straight down and then bend it up toward the left. Go back to the center, come down and then up towards the right. Now from the eyes, let's move down and draw two more ovals for the paws. Let's start on the left side, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's line this up over on the right. Come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's separate the paws with two curves on either side. So start on the left, and it's out and up. Step out and draw that again. Now on the right side, we'll go in the opposite direction. In between the paws along the top, we draw a curve for the pumpkin, going up and then down. Let's go to the outside of the paws, bend this out and then down. Now from here we move out and draw the outside of the head. Let's line up at the top of the eye, over on the left side, bend the head, going out, come down and just bend that in on top of the paw. Let's go to the right side, going out, down and then bend that in. Now from the top of the head, let's draw the outside of the ears. Bend this out and go up. Bring that up toward the same height. Now we're going to draw the inside of the ear. I want to bend this in and then down. Let's close off the top of the head with a curve, going up in the middle and then back down. Now we want to trace the ears along the inside. From the top point, step down, trace the left side coming down, and then the inside. Close off the bottom with a curve. Now from the paws, let's move down and draw the eyes of the pumpkin. We'll start on the left side, draw a triangle. Coming down on either side, close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's do the same thing on the right, directly underneath the paw, and we'll close off the bottom. Let's go in between the eyes and draw a smaller triangle in the center for the nose. And then we'll add in the mouth. Directly underneath the nose, start with a straight line, come down the inside of the teeth, straight out, and then back up towards the top. Let's bend the corners of the mouth, going out and then up. Now we want to connect the corners of the mouth, coming down in the middle, round out the mouth, and then bend that back up towards the right. Now directly underneath the mouth, we're going to add a curve, starting on the left, bend this down in the middle, and then back up. Let's create an overlap. We step down, come down, and then bend that up. Do the same thing on the right. Now you want to draw on the side of the pumpkin. On the left, step down, bend this out, come down the side, and then just tuck that in. Let's line this up over on the right. Going out, and down, and then bend that in. Now I want to add some thickness to the inside of the eyes, nose, and mouth. So from the top corner of the eye, step down. It's going to trace this down towards the bottom, and then come straight in, go in the opposite direction on the right side. Now I'm going to fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's go to the nose, step up and draw a straight line going across the bottom, and we'll fill in the top of the nose. Let's trace the bottom of the mouth along the inside, going all the way across, and we'll bring that back up. And then from the inside corner of the teeth, draw 2 short angle lines coming in, and then go straight up. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Let's go back up and add in some whiskers. I'm going to start underneath the eye, bend this up and then down, line that up on the right side. Let's add one more whisker. From the inside, step down, bend this out, and then down. Let's give our cat some eyebrows. Start from the top, bend this out, and then down toward the side. And then we're going to add the cat's tail coming out from the left. Let's start up here, bend this out around the whisker, and then in, and we'll bend that back out towards the end. Now I want to round out the end of the tail, going all the way around, and then in. I'm going to follow this curve, coming around the outside, just get narrower as you come back in towards the pumpkin. Let's add some stripes inside the tail. Start from the top, bend this up, and then in. Leave a large gap, and come all the way down towards the bottom of the tail. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of a pumpkin cat. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.